Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shantae back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be showing one of my another Coach unboxing. Y'all gonna hear a lot of noise in this video because my son is home. You know what's going on. Kids are home for remote learning. But back to what I was saying, I have an unboxing of the Coach bag that I've been ordered months ago and it finally came because it was supposedly shipping from the store, supposedly canceled, supposedly this, supposedly that. So this is what we come to. This bag I purchased it because I hit a milestone for my program I am in. A new career path. I won't say it yet until I'm completed because that's just how I am. So I bought this bag because I needed something like a work tote bag, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna buy this for myself because I did this. I need to learn to start celebrating myself. So that's an excuse to shop, but for real, I need to learn to start celebrating myself. So enough with the rambling. Let's just get into this unboxing of this Coach Gallery tote. Yeah. So it came in a box like this. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's all beat up. FYI, it ended up getting open because someone thought this package was theirs in my household, but not like my neighbors. So, tissue paper, and here's the bag. Okay. Oh, you got the Coach look carousel. All right, Coach outlet. And this is where I purchased this bag from Coach Outlet. Oh my God, y'all, my camera. Well, not my camera, my computer is dying. Let me get to this. Alright. So, ooh, this is cute. Oh, just enough, big enough for work. I hope y'all can see it. I don't know if because my computer is down. I should have just waited, but oh well. Let's get into it. It's called a Coach Gallery Tote. Gold hardware. And it's like a pink color. I wish y'all can really see it, but it's a pink color, my favorite color. Y'all should know that. Gold hardware, tassel that says Coach. All right, gold hardware. We got a zipper in the front, no zipper in the back. Interior. Um, oh, we got a zipper in the inside. This is big. Um, Originally, this was $322. I got this for, I think, $98. So maybe it's a steal that I had to get it because I don't really have any pink handbags, and that's weird. That's my favorite color. So I got this for meeting my milestone with the most, completing the most exams before a deadline. I had got it in October, so I had got a certificate and everything. Matter of fact, maybe I probably can show y'all the certificate. Okay, I'm not gonna show you. This is a certificate. It says certificate of achievement. Congratulations. It says you have successfully completed the back to school exam challenge for October 2020 and you achieve your next academic milestone. So that's what I get. Certificate of achievement. So I'm proud of myself for doing that. So that's why we have this cute thing right here. I'm gonna have to fix these handles a little bit and probably stuff this bag because it's very bendy and folds everywhere. It's like a pink color. I'm not sure if y'all can. It's so cute. I'm gonna use this for work or when I'm out running errands. But yes, it's a pink color. It's called the Coach Gallery Tote. And this is a nice size too. I wish, well, I was trying to save it to make this video, but I'm gonna have to stuff this bag. The handles all bent and everything. But yes, it's this pretty color. I'm like, I need my work bag to be fun. This is cute. I don't know if this, the camera is not doing it justice because if y'all can really see this pink color, y'all will be like, oh my god. I might just post this on my Instagram. My Instagram is Shantae Pink, and if you want to get a better glimpse of the color of this bag, follow me on that on IG. So, yep, little treat myself bag, different from everything else I have. I think this is the first time y'all seen my hair straight on my channel. And I'm kind of bittersweet y'all get to see it in this short stage because my hair was to my shoulders. I went and got a hair trim and she literally then chopped off my hair. Then when I put the hair, well, side story from the handbag, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a quick story time because it just happened recently. I had got my hair trimmed. I'm like, okay, get home. Day two later, I pulled it back, and then I noticed like my hair was choppy. It was longer parts and it was shorter parts. So I was like, I'm finna call somebody, talk to somebody, see if someone there can fix my hair because all this long part, short part, I don't like that. So went back yesterday, and she had to cut it some more, but not the same person, a different person. So just imagine your hair from being right here and it going right here. But I'm not gonna trip because my hair go back fast and it's just hair. I got good hair. Everybody has good hair. I don't want nobody to say that, but I'm just saying like I'm not gonna stress myself about it. It's just I came out with a whole haircut when I asked for a trim. And that hasn't happened in a long time. I guess I was unlucky this time. But yes, y'all. Gallery Tote Bag. Follow me on Instagram, Shantae Pink. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.